Today is Friday, December 15, 2023. You're looking at the pre-market. The market has not opened. It is about 8:27 a.m. The line you see is the pre-market at 4 o'clock in the morning, and this is just the activity. So later in the day, we'll take a look at if any of these 7 levels that were calculated. As you can see, they're on the chart before the market opened. Market opens at 9:30 Eastern. And then we'll take a look later in the day to see if any of these levels were hit and if any trades were produced. And now the market has closed for the day. Again, today is Friday, December 15, 2023. You're looking at the activity in the SPY or the spiders and how price reacted off of these levels that you saw already put on the chart before the market opened this morning. If and when the spiders come into these levels during the trading session and within certain parameters of time, market orders are activated in the E-mini futures. Then I follow a set of rules that return high probabilities of pulling base hits out of the market. You can see they hung around just one of these levels pretty much all day long, the 469.55 level. The spiders never got to any of these other levels, so they're not important right now. So let's take a closer look at how one trade was pulled out of the market, one base hit. So no action in the E-minis happens before 9:45 a.m. That's one rule. So activation rules for contracts to be bought or sold in the E-minis or the ES is contingent on where the spiders are at the 9:45 a.m. candle close. For today, that happened to be right below the level at the point in time, so just a few pennies, and a market order to sell ES contracts at 469.55 was keyed in and activated as soon as the 9:45 candle closed, and within a minute, that order was filled, and within 2 minutes later, that profit target was hit, and this trade was closed out with a solid base hit. So nice trade within the first few minutes of the trading session. And the spiders pretty much just hugged this level all day. And you could have played ping pong on it around this level if you were interested. Not to say you couldn't have had more trades. I'm just not interested in playing ping pong. I like to just stick to the rules of my strategy because I know it works in the long term. But that was it for the day. Just one simple base hit trade. The spiders never reached any other levels. So here's the trade at the 469.55 level inputted into this log for record. Profit was $400 or more, depending on number of ES contracts traded, depending on your margin availability. So it was kind of a slow week because it was a couple days where no levels were hit. And then on Wednesday, I didn't want trades to be activated right before the FOMC announcement was made. So everything was off the table before 12 noon that day just to be safe. But I hope you found this information interesting and helpful. Have a great day.